More eggs.
See more eggs, Sasha? You see any eggs? Oh, you see any eggs? Do you see an egg?
Yay! Put it in the basket. You see it?
Like this?
Oh no, it fell down. It didn't break. It's okay.
Get it? There you go. So
Yay, Sessa. Here, put it in the basket. Uh-oh, I'll get it. It's okay. Keep looking.
Where's the other egg? Where? Where's the other egg?
All right, put it in the basket. Okay. Do you see some more eggs?
Where's the egg? This way?
No, that's a control.
No, that's the control. You see any eggs? What's that for the control? You see any eggs? You see any eggs? Right here, sometimes. There's an egg. See any eggs? Keep going. I found one.
All right, Ital found another egg.
Here's me, Mama.
Okay.
Found another egg.
Ital, don't stick him in its face.
Well, that's not an egg.
That's a pillow. You want to lay down? Or you want to go to sleep? You want to go to sleep? You want to go to sleep?